Alright guys, Aaron out here with Long Roof Racing. We got another revival. So customer just brought this into us today. Clearly an old school build. He said he money shifted and it through timing or something. The engine's hurt, put it that way. And it's been sitting for quite a while, so we're gonna get it cleaned up, bring it back to life, and yeah, see what it becomes. Does anybody know what used to be in that foam? It's a little crusty. Cool wing though. S2O copy. Don't believe it's real, but maybe somebody spent the money back in the day. So we'll see what this becomes and update you guys later.